Welcome to a new episode and video on my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik, based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and online programmed in Python, with two touch sensors, active sonar to detect distance to an object, USB camera for OpenCV imaging, a lamp to detect or to indicate that some turn is going to happen, and a propeller at the back that is showing that the algorithm is still running. Last time I changed speed, I changed some settings, and it looked like it was finally going the right way, but a typo was, well, no, not really a typo, but more like a wrong variable made sure that a nice if statement, if condition, was not dealt with properly. So let's see how it acts now. The distance is to the nearest object 40 centimeters, 17 inches. So let's see whatever happens when I start the program. If something happens. Well, at least the propeller works. Imaging is being processed. And so far that's all. A fully loaded battery. And it's not doing a thing apart from producing images. So the big question is, why is it not doing anything? Well, on the screen there's a lot of output, and it with sonar, it gets through the sonar, but how is unclear. Very strange this. Oh, it has moved a little. I was looking at the screen and not at the robot. Then again, is this all there is? I hope not. And it keeps going on. And the image that is being taken is 1, so that is the very first image being taken, and that's about it. And it stops because the last image taken is 0. Completely empty. And this makes no sense, understandably. So, what to do? Making another attempt. And but let's first examine some screen output. So with this abnormal position of the robot comparing to these objects, let's see what it did. Frequently showing this. So let's find the previous one. That's also 45. 45. 44. Well, what's in the distance? 43. Really? And that's it. So the distance, and let's see, the distance, by the way, is it's sonar 2533. Oh, that's here. So it barely moves, but it manages to increase the distance. Really. The battery has gone to under 9 volts. I don't care about that one. So let's do another try. Just putting it in a straight line. Maybe turn this one around, because now it has a rough edge, just like this one, not a smooth one like the plate on the front. And let's see whatever happens now. Oh, let's also how many are there now? Yeah, right. $18, $24. Yeah, that's garbled. And it hasn't moved, so it's not improving. Okay. Let's move. Or try to anyway. No. Why is this happening? Give me some proper output. Yeah. Now's the time that the propeller on the back is going to run. Yeah. Oh, this is not good. When I saw this, I thought, okay, that is it. An empty image. So no use to watch that, because it's empty anyway. Another try. Why is it empty? The battery. What does the battery say? If anything. It says nothing. Come on. And waiting for some output that I can use. 42 centimeters. But when it is going to do something, when is it going to do something? I don't like this happening. So it is actually going in here. See, it stops again. I have a while 0 and a while 1. Let's focus on that. While 1 is 4. So it goes into this loop for 4 times. And that is the big loop, the big while, where everything happens. It is processed 4 times. And in this and during this time, battery voltage. Wait a second. Why is there a battery voltage? Oh, yeah. If contact 1 state is 0 and contact 2 state is 0 and the sonar distance is larger than 30, then print battery state. That it does. Then counter 0, pre, etc. is 0. Nothing wrong here. Then print counter pre, yeah, alright. F2. But let's not divert. I need to find the date, the data file, but also what happens exactly. Camera action start. Where does the camera start? Camera action 1. Yeah, right here. Camera action 1. Camera action start, that, and this is inside the camera loop. But it doesn't do a thing. It absolutely doesn't do one thing. So this is very curious, and I didn't change that much in the algorithm last time, neither did I last time. So why is this happening? I'm not liking it at all. Right, so now I have all the files, and I am curious about the size of data. 130. Alright. So what does give? It says 327. Yeah, it's a way too. Is not enough. So this means that I have to expand everything that's written there. And not just that, I have to change things, not by tab, although that may be handy. Here are 2 things in the same way, and then here is something written, but this is another condition. So that's what I'm going to do, changing to new line. Then this is inside the contact 1. and this is another one. So it's best if I take these 3 lines, put it here and write it. Then I know that something is going to happen. The same with this stuff, but let's not go too fast. This is, and let me take this literally. Oh, this is sonar distance. What do I get for sonar distance? I have to take another I have to take another variable with it. Ouch. But this is at the same moment, so it's best if I take there direct the sonar distance. That should be alright. Okay. This is another tab, which is alright. I think F2 and F2, yeah. Can I put something in here? This would be nice if I put this into the data file as well, because then it is recorded that I'm going to make a right turn. Also about this one, that a sound is being played, which doesn't happen ever, but theoretically a sound is being played and that's it. So that would be nice. So let's see if I can. No, I can't. So I have to copy these 3 lines. And say alright, that's good. This one can go because there's no value to be written, and then same thing here. So right here, airplane sound, all right. Let's see whatever happens now. By the way, the network speed is not good. It is very slow. Because usually this saves very fast, and now it is waiting. It's seconds, but in networking seconds is a long time. Anyway, let's run again and see whatever happens this time. If something happens. Yeah, but not this. Thank you very much. Alright, better. I do hope so, at least. No need to watch these pics because they're at the very low distance. It runs. Yay, it runs. Very, very slowly indeed. I don't like this either. Why does it? Yeah, okay, it stopped because it makes an image, but then it should drive. It should drive right till here somewhere, somehow, and make a turn somewhere, somehow. And that is certainly not happening. Okay. I can't interrupt because I have to close the file nicely. And with interruption I don't nicely close the file, the data log. So let's see how long this takes. With a battery of 8,7 volts, no problem. Ah, there is the end. So, time to take out the new log file. So now the question is, has it actually made a nice recording? I didn't expect this. Well, to be honest, this simply means that it doesn't meet any of those contacts, any of those conditions, and it just says counter 3. So it's only this one. Alright. What other conditions are being met? No, not that one, that one. What other conditions are met? This one is being met, and this one is I need 33, this, but it doesn't print this line, so the condition is not met. And it doesn't print contact 1 is 1 and contact 2 is 1, so this condition isn't met either. And neither or none of the conditions are met, which is very strange. It's 40 centimeters. Okay, it has driven a bit, and granted, the surface is quite flat and without very much friction. But how to do it? How to make sure that it works? Yeah, I could use the cloth again, but I'm not very much convinced that that is the solution. Certainly not, because I'm not meeting any conditions, and that is strange. It doesn't even meet the condition that I have most, or had most, which is right in the end, up close, simply because it doesn't drive. So, how to cope with that? Alright, let's try again. Now it's pointed straight at the objects. Go. Why network error? Why? There it goes, there it goes. Please go. Yes. Do so. Go on. Okay, diversion from the straight line. Yes, lamp. Now it is time to actually do something. Another lamp. What else? Another lamp. And driving a bit. This is 13. And here some conditions. Now it does do the sonar. And another one. 131. And another one. And there it goes again. Wow. This is 141. But it's 0, so of no use. Then 131, 13, 20, 0. Okay, so which one is 20 again? Between 15 and 20 centimeters. And which one is 131 again? Between 10 and 12. Alright, so the algorithm has finished. Time to find out something. Oops. 1, 0, 20, 13. Let's take a few of these. Um, 51, 4, 1. I don't mind. Garble. Then 57, 1, 0. I want a 20. Oh, is this 20 the same as the 29? it's not the same. It is not exactly the same. Okay. Then 57, 43 is 13 taken. Closer yet, or well, whatever. And then 57, 57. And that's a 131. The question is, of course, why is it happening like this? And I just noticed I'm going over time. But why did it deliver right now and not in the beginning? So with this result I have to finish this video. Some nice pictures, but like I said, the big question is, why does it work now without any real change to the algorithm, and that it delivers such a nice thing? I don't know, but I hope in the future I can tell. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram, please like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like and leave a comment. Show your support please by donating. More information on my website at the start of this video. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned either just on my website or with my videos. Up to you. Much appreciated though. And this is of course going to be continued. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.